Hey Dave, my name is Donald Cunningham, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Now you're probably wondering, well, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? What I have found is that by educating people and giving them some free information of things they can do to impact their business online, has resulted in of some of those business owners asking me for my help. So if you like what I've showed you, please give me a call. Or if you simply want to take this information and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me go over the 3 things that are going to help you improve your online presence. The first thing I want to go over is content. Now, when Google crawls the internet, it reads words. So now it has been found that the average word content on sites that rank higher or highest in a Google search have 1,500 to 2,400 words. But also you need to have the right keywords. So I put your site into a word counter and you have over 1,600, almost 1,700 words on your homepage. So in that respect, you're in good shape. Okay, this is your competitor. Now, I also put their site into a word counter, and guess what? They only have 780 words on their homepage. So you've already got them beat. Okay, so now let's take a look at keywords. Now, I did a scan on your competitor's site, and it's showing that they're being found for 53 keywords and with a traffic of 127. Okay, click on these keywords here and scroll down. Now these are the actual keywords they're being found for, which means that these are the actual words that are being put into a Google search for them to come up. So in this case, like at the top one, you have um, best plumber Riverside, and then for a search volume of 50. That means in the past month, there have been 50 searches. Now for the second one, okay, with the second one is the best plumbing services for a search volume of 360 with traffic of 15, traffic meaning that people who actually landed on your website on their website. And then the third was Plumbers Riverside, California, and there was a search volume of 200 for them. Okay, now looking at your site in Ahrefs, it shows that you're being found for 41 keywords. I click on that. These are the keywords you're being found for. Thompson Family Plumbing, which is the name of your site. Thompson Family Plumbing and Drain, again the name of your site. Thompson Plumbing, Hesperia, California. Search volume of 50. Now these first two, what's happening here is people are searching specifically for these keywords. So they already know that they're looking for you. That's why you have so many good top searches here. So here, the first, you already have the word content, but I think the first thing you would need to do is to get the keywords that they're being found for and add those keywords to your site. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to go over with you is citation. Now, what a citation is your name, address, and telephone number, which will be listed in several directories across the internet. Now, this is the Google Maps section here, and this is what Google, how Google ranks websites if they're in this map section. So you want to have your name, address, and phone number, like over here. You want to have your name, address, and phone number uh, in here in order for Google to uh, rank your citation. Now, if you look at the listing over here, you see up here it says sponsored, and this one says sponsored. What that means is those websites are paying to be listed at the top. It doesn't mean they're listed at the top because of searches. Okay, this little chart here is showing some of the top directories that you want to have your citations listed in. So again, you want to have your citations or your NAP listed in more directories than your competitor. So again, these are directories are places like Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, Yelp, and a couple of hundred other online directories. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk to you about is uh, backlinks or link juice. And what that is, a backlink is any another website that is linking back to your website. So that would be another factor in having your listing come up or ranking in a Google search. And the important thing about backlinks too is you want the sites linking back to your site to be relevant to your site. In other words, you're a plumber, so you don't backlinks coming from Pizza Hut aren't necessarily a valuable link for you. Okay, coming back to Hrefs again. Now this is your competitor. Now we're going to be looking at their backlinks. They have 113 backlinks. If I click here, it shows me the exact sites that are linking back to them. Okay, so now let's go to your site and look at your backlinks. Oh, wow. So you're actually, you got them beat as far as backlinks is concerned because you have 505 backlinks. But I would still say you want to still look at their backlinks because they might have backlinks that you don't have. And in which case we would want to also get the same backlinks that they have and have them linking back to your site, which would give you even more link juice. So once again, getting to the top of Google is not magic. It's just a method, and I've shown you that method today. So we went over content. You want to have at least 1,500 words of content, which you already have, so you're in good shape there. And then the citation, we want you to have at least 200 or 300 citations to really beat out your competitor by a landslide. And then we talked about backlinks, and we want to get the backlinks that you're already ahead of your competitor, but we want to get the same ones that they have, so that will give you more. Okay, so that's it. So what now? Well, if you like what I've showed you and you want some more information on that, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don and my number is 714-473-0269. You have a great day.